This is my most favorite drink. This is my least favorite. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all feeling? I'm feeling fantastic and I'm totally excited about sharing this video with you all. This video is going to be very refreshing for you guys because you are going to get introduced to 8 Indian traditional natural juices today. I'm not going to brag about any of these juices to you all. What I'm going to do is I'm going to taste all these juices for the very first time and I'm going to share my honest review and opinion about the taste of the juices with you all. So this video is going to be really interesting and different from all my other videos. So without further delay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so before the tasting procedure, let me give you a small introduction about these products. These natural juices were sent to me as an independence gift on Independence Day by Mrs. Subhatra. How thoughtful of her to send me such traditional natural juices on Independence Day. So next time when I want to gift someone something on Independence Day, it's definitely going to be something Indian, something traditional and something natural and healthy like these juices. So let me get you introduced to these juices first. I'm going to pick my most favorite juice, the Nungu juice. All these items I think South Indians will be very familiar with. I'm not sure about North Indians or other parts of India. So if you have not heard of any of these products, it's high time that you order these and taste because these are highly affordable. These are very common in South Indian households and these are all health drinks, you know, like you basically consume these drinks to prevent yourself from getting sick or to boost your immunity. So all of these 8 drinks are immunity boosters, and even before getting introduced to these juices, we used to make some of these juices at home and we used to consume them, and whenever we go to villages we used to find these in abundance and consume them. Since these are traditional juices, these are available in abundance in villages, but you know city life, right? We don't get any of these in cities. So these are the best bet. If you're living in city, you can just place an online order and you can get it delivered. So each of these bottles are 200 ml bottles, so it'll be, you know, perfect for a one-time drink. And all these juices are 100% chemical free, 0 preservative and 100% natural. No added colors, no preservatives, nothing. If you see the ingredients, I'm just talking about the ingredients of this juice. It is ice apple, which is called Nungu, from palm trees, water and glucose. That's it guys. There are no added colors, there are no preservatives, nothing. So this is 100% natural and so are the other juices. So I'll put up pictures of these products and pictures and price and the website and all the details will be given in the description box. So don't you guys worry about that. Now let's move into the tasting. Now I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bottles of non-milk based drinks. So I've just kept them outside, and I have 2 milk based drinks which are Jigardanda and one more is saffron milk. So I wanted to have them chilled, so I've kept it in the refrigerator. I'm going to open all these bottles. You can see that all these bottles are sealed and I've never ever tasted them before because these bottles were sent to me only like 2 days back and they are still sealed. I've never tasted them before. So I'm going to open it up right in front of your eyes and I'm going to taste them and tell you my honest opinion. Okay, now let's jump into the tasting. Okay guys, so I've opened this Nungu juice which is from palm tree. So let me taste this. I'm so excited. Okay. Okay, I did a small mistake here. You need to shake it well before opening. Otherwise the water content is going to come on top and all the sediments are down below. Okay, there are some small particles of Nungu inside, which is nice, and it has a very natural flavor. I love Nungu guys. I've tasted it, I've eaten it like so many thousands of nungu I've eaten and I totally love it. It's such a cooling fruit, you know. We always used to get it during summers and we always used to consume so much of it. I've had nungu milkshakes before, but this is the first time I'm having a pure 100% nungu juice, and it tastes really natural. Like, it has a very mild taste. You can see the color itself is white, so it has a very mild taste and it's natural and it's nice. Since I like nungu a lot, I really like this. So this is the first product. Let's move on to the second product. So I'm gonna pick amla juice. So the ingredients of this amla juice is amla juice, salt, mint juice and green chili. My god, it's an amazing combination, and all these ingredients are my favorite: green chili, mint and amla. Amla is rich in vitamin C. Let's see what's given here. Amla is very rich in vitamin C that boosts immunity. Amla is clinically proven to improve hair health, and its antioxidants help in anti-aging. Amla is used as medicine for over 3000 years and is part of many Ayurvedic medicinal preparations. EcoBuddy Amla juice is a delicious slow drink completely made with real amla fruits. It has no artificial flavor, color or preservative. So you can see from the color of all the juices that, you know, like, everything is natural and no extra colors are added in any of these juices. So let's open the amla juice and give it a test. Okay, the amla juice is open now. I completely love the smell of this amla juice, guys. As soon as I opened it, I started getting a strong smell of mint. So if you are a mint fan like me, you're gonna completely enjoy this. So let me taste this. It's lovely, really, because there's a small hint of green chili in it, and there's lots of mint, obviously, and there's lots of amla. But normally when you make amla juice at home, it is very sour, bitter, and, you know, like, you won't feel like drinking it at all. Maybe for health benefits you will drink it for 1 day or 2 days, but definitely you're not going to continue doing it, because I have experienced it. But if it's gonna be in this form, so tasty, then you can definitely have it every day. I never knew you can actually add green chili to amla juice. It really elevates the flavors of amla, and the mint brings down the sourness and the bitterness of the amla. So this is a perfect combination, guys. I thoroughly enjoy this. Amazing it is. I love it. Okay, now moving on to the third drink. Let me show you the Sukumalli cold coffee. So let's see what's written about this drink. Sukumalli drink is used in South India as a regular morning and evening refreshment. The ginger and coriander in this drink, what? There's coriander in this drink? Supplies loads of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals to give anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, soothing and refreshing properties. It also helps improve digestion, nutrition absorption, weight reduction and brain health. Contains no caffeine and no additive substances. It contains no caffeine. It's written cold coffee. Let's taste it and see. But I know what is suku. Suku is dry ginger, and I know what is malli. Malli is coriander. So I also know the health benefits of these two because I regularly use them in my tea. We use dried ginger and also fresh ginger in our regular tea. So this is something different. They say there's no caffeine. So let's taste it. Oh my god, amazing smell. I think I should have named this video smell test rather than taste test, because everything smells amazing. So let me go ahead with this Sukumalli cold coffee. It tastes a little bit like, you know, the sweet kashayam that my grandma makes. It has never been bitter. You can have it just like that because she adds the right amount of the right ingredients, and sometimes we add honey to it, and this also gives a little bit of that, you know, sweetness. When you mix the right amount of ingredients, the natural sweetness pops up, and you need not add any amount of sweetness to bring down the strong taste of the kashayam. So this is like that. And even though cold coffee is written here, it does not give the taste of coffee. It has a nice taste of the sukh, and I don't think I can taste malli in it, because you guys know that, you know, when you mix coriander with other ingredients, the flavor of the coriander is not going to be so overpowering. I'm not able to explain the taste, but it's really nice, like the flavors are, they have come together. Like the flavors are not standing separately. All the flavors have come together and it makes a nice drink. So all three juices have passed the test, I feel. Guys, if I don't like any of these drinks, I'm gonna tell you guys that I don't like it. So don't think that I will be biased and I will always, support all the juices. I will always say nice for everything. No, I'm not gonna do that. So if I don't like anything, I'll surely tell you that I don't like it. I told you guys I'm gonna give you only honest reviews. So the next drink that I picked up is Padani. I've never tasted Padani in my life, but I've heard about it from a lot of people. So let's see what's written about this Padani. And the ingredient is just one item, coconut blossom neera. So I think this water is taken from, the youngest of the coconut. When the coconut is at its blossoming stage, I think that is when they take this water. I think so. And let's see what's written about it. Neera or Padaneer is a delicious secretion that naturally drips from the cut blossoms of coconut trees. EcoBuddy collects every drop and packs it hygienically to protect its heavenly taste, nutrition and medicinal properties without any preservatives. Padaneer has been our ancestors' daily health drink for centuries. Neera is rich in essential minerals, amino acids and vitamins including pyridoxine, which is known to improve mental health and peaceful sleep. Of course, these days a lot of us has insomnia, a lot of us are suffering from bad lifestyle because of which we are not having like a proper sleep cycle. So all these are really beneficial. I don't have any qualms about trying out or drinking our Indian traditional drinks because we don't even know what ingredients are present in other foreign drinks, but still we buy them and drink them, even though we see a lot of discouraging videos about those drinks. So when you are so confident about other drinks, these drinks are completely natural, without any preservative, without any additives, color, and all these drinks are non-alcoholic. So you can definitely try them, guys, without any hesitation. Okay guys, let's taste this Padaneer now. This actually tastes like palm jaggery liquid, like the palm jaggery, if it's mixed in water, how would it taste? So it tastes something like that. It does not taste like the tender coconut water. The taste of the tender coconut water is quite different from this, although this also comes from the coconut. And it has a very strong taste, stronger taste than the tender coconut water. It is sweeter than the tender coconut water, I guess. I think this taste is closer to the jaggery taste. You get the most traditional feel when you drink this. I don't think any other drink is giving you that traditional feel. What all I have tasted here, amla juice or the sukumali coffee or the nunga chara, even the nunga juice did not give me the traditional feel, but I feel, in my opinion, this Padani is giving that traditional feel, And when I spoke to madam about giving this to my 3-year-old son, I really wanted to give this because I knew this is so healthy. So I wanted to ask her if this can be given to children, and she told me that this can even be given to infants because this is 100% natural and there are no chemicals or preservatives or any processing done. This is naturally obtained from the tree, so this can be given even to infants. I'm going to give this to Rayu and I'm going to see how he likes it. So let's move on to the next juice. So the next item is the Kabasura water, which is the most sought after drink in Indian households these days. If you are in South India, at least in Tamil Nadu, you will know to what extent this product is in demand in this corona situation, because a lot of people believe that if you take this water at least twice a week, the chances of you getting affected with COVID-19 is very less, because this kills all the germs, bacteria that might accumulate in your throat. This is, I don't know if it's a proven fact or not, but we are following this routine. I have this Kabasura powder in my house, so we boil it in 300 ml water and we reduce the water until it becomes 50 ml, I think. So my mom makes this, my aunt makes this, and they give us twice in a week. but you know, like, it is a process, right? Like, you have to keep boiling the water. And what if you don't get hold of the Kabasura powder? The powder is really difficult to get, but this Kabasura water is very easy to find online, and you can order it and you can have it. And this is very much affordable also when compared to other medicine or other supplements, you know, that might be recommended for COVID. So I would recommend you to consume this at least twice in a week, because I'm already consuming this and I know that, you know, like, it is very helpful. We can you know, really find a difference in our daily life when it comes to cold or cough or headache or anything. So I'm going to taste this Kabasura water and see if it's similar to what we make at home. Okay, I was really scared because the Kabasura water that we make at home is really bitter, and I always add at least 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey to it, only then I consume. But this is not that very bitter. It has a little bit of bitterness to it because of the natural flavors, but it's not that bitter. I forgot to check the ingredients actually. So the ingredients is Kabasura Suranam with 15 Siddha herbs. So this is a proven Siddha, you know, like, medicine when it comes to cold, cough and all that. And they have mixed this 15 Siddha herbs with the right amount of water to make this Kabasura Kudineer. Okay, so it tastes really good. It's not, maybe the Kabasura neer that we make at home is too concentrated, that's why it's too bitter, but this is not very concentrated. This is really nice. And what we make at home, it is just, you know, like 2-3 tablespoons per person, but this is a 200 ml bottle. So even if you drink 100 ml of this, it's going to be really beneficial for you guys. So even if not for the taste, I would recommend you to buy this and have this at least during this COVID season. So my shot of Kabasura Kudineer for the week is over today. Let's move on to the next drink. Okay guys, this is the 6th drink, which is Panagam. I don't know what Panagam is, so let's check out the ingredients. The ingredients is tamarind water, raw sugarcane jaggery, ground ginger, ground cardamom and whole sea salt. Okay, it sounds like a weird mix. Panagam has been an ancient cool drink in South India. It contains natural electrolytes and has been used as natural ORS, oral rehydration solution, for many centuries. Panagam instantly fights dehydration, helps in digestion, rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. EcoBuddy Panagam is made completely without artificial color, preservatives, chemicals and flavoring agents. Okay, so this aids in digestion and mainly prevents dehydration. Okay, so let's check out this Panagam. Okay, I can get a strong taste of tamarind and palm jaggery, I think. No, it's raw sugarcane jaggery. So I can get a very strong taste of the tamarind water and the sugarcane jaggery. Okay, I cannot taste the ground cardamom, but I can taste the ground ginger, yeah. I think the best thing about all these drinks is that they have the right mix of ingredients in the right amounts, you know, so that makes the drink really tasty. Even though these are traditional natural drinks, it gives you that kick, you know, it gives you that pop feeling when you drink it. That's only because of the right ingredients and the right amounts, I feel. So this is really refreshing guys, and it's sweet. It's really sweet because tamarind and jaggery are best friends. Even in chutneys, when you make groundnut chutney, you add jaggery when you add tamarind. That's a thumb rule. So when this drink has tamarind and jaggery together, it really stands out. I must say, out of all the juices that I've tasted now, the Nungu juice is my least favorite because all other juices have a very strong flavor. They are sweet, they are having that kick in it, but the Nungu juice is really natural and, you know, like, it has that natural mildness to it. So I think that's my least favorite for now. So let me get the Jigardanda and the saffron milk from the fridge and let's taste that as well. So I have 2 more bottles here, the Jigardanda and the saffron milk, both chilled. I love it chilled guys. So let's open this and see how it tastes. So I have opened Jigardanda first. I've had Jigartanda before once in Murugan Idli shop. This is the second time I'm having Jigartanda. Okay, the ingredients of this item is milk, badam pisan, soaked nanari root water and sugar. Okay, there is so much of badam pisan in this. I can literally, like get it in my mouth. It's kind of chewable. So this badam pisan is very, very good for health, very beneficial for people with a heated body, like people who gets stomachache because of the heat in the body, people who get irregular periods, and because of the heat they get hair fall. So for all those people, this badam pisan is really, really important and a very beneficial ingredient. You can add it to rose milk, you can add it to any other juice. So this Jigartanda contains a lot of badam pisan and soaked nanari root. Yes, I can get the taste of the nanari root, water and sugar. Honestly, I'm not a very big fan of Jigartanda. So this is definitely not my most favorite drink, but it tastes good. It tastes nice and sweet. Okay, now comes one of my most favorites, the saffron milk. The ingredients are milk, sugar, cut almonds, almond paste and pure saffron paste. And let's see what's written about this product. Saffron is used across the globe for over 3,500 years as medicine for hundreds of ailments. It is a powerful antioxidant and antidepressant. Researchers show that daily intake of saffron helps heal mental conditions like depression, anxiety and stress. It also has great anti-aging properties, ideal for children, pregnant and lactating mothers. Wow! Usually in drinks, when they add preservatives and other form of chemicals and whatnot, they'll be so scared that they'll say pregnant women and lactating mothers do not attempt to use our product or do not attempt to drink our product. But it is clearly mentioned in this that pregnant and lactating mothers can drink this product, which means they are so confident about their product, right? So let's go ahead and taste this. So now comes the saffron milk. Wow. Can you see the amount of almonds? I'm so sorry to put my tongue out and show you guys. I have a mirror in front of me. I can see saffron. I can see so much of almonds. My God. Amazing. It's full of nuts and it has this enriching saffron taste, The color of this saffron milk is completely from the saffron. They didn't even add turmeric. They didn't even add any other natural colors to it. This color is just from the saffron. Then you can imagine how strong the taste is. And they've even added almond paste to it. My God, this milk is so rich, guys. And what's the price of this product? The price of this product is just 60 rupees. And it's out of the world. I found my most favorite drink. This is my most favorite drink. Forget any badam milk from any other shop. This is clearly a winner. I love it. Let me shake it up because there's so much of nuts. Can you see? I don't know if you can see the bottom of the bottle. I think I did not shake it properly, but can you see so many nuts settled at the bottom? And I can still get so many nuts in the liquid, in the juice when I drink. Let me keep some for my brother, otherwise he's gonna kill me. So clearly this saffron milk Kungumapoo Pal is the winner. Guys, you should understand one thing. This is not badam milk. This is not almond milk. This is saffron milk. So when you actually buy almond milk, that is badam milk from shops, that itself costs you more than 60 rupees, whereas saffron is much more expensive than almonds. And this entire bottle with full of nuts and full of saffron costs you just 60 rupees. The price range of all these bottles are completely affordable. So the entire price range varies from 35 rupees to 60 rupees, which is completely affordable for anybody. And they deliver pan India. So you can order these products from their website, which is ecobuddy.in. And there's also a distributor phone number, which will be given in the description box. So check out their website, order all that you can, and apart from all these Indian traditional natural drinks, they also have other organic products in affordable prices. Like they have A2 cultured ghee, which is another amazing product. I will definitely show you guys because I am using that. And they have some pulses, dals, and they also have honey, and they also have a special product called the white honey. I was very impressed with the white honey, and I'll also show you all other organic products so that you can also get an idea about organic stuff you can actually buy at affordable cost. I hope you enjoyed this taste testing video, and I hope you got a good look of all the Indian natural traditional juices. Taste it at least once in your lifetime so that you will have the joy of, you know, tasting something really Indian and traditional. Even when you go abroad, you can tell those people what our natural drinks are, what all are traditional drinks. We do not want to go abroad and brag about their own products, right? So I will definitely buy these products again for my entire family. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for joining me in tasting all this. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel. Take care. See you all. Bye bye.